I have a brand new channel with 0 subscribers and we are going to make one of these channels go viral super fast in just the next 50, setting a new record on YouTube. In only 59 minutes, and after it goes viral, as always, I will do a giveaway to one of you unique subscribers. What if I can't make it go viral? So I am going to permanently delete this channel. No more tension and we won't reveal the channel further, so let's begin. The timer has started. We have only 59 minutes. So in the next 59 minutes, I need a good name and profile picture for the channel. What about the banner? Skip that. Finally, after thinking for 5 minutes, I have set the name and profile picture for these channels. Now it's time to upload shots. What type of shots should be uploaded? Oh, I have already highlighted some trending topics in my notes like duck videos, trolling face gaming shorts, mixed copy, face and fifth. Whatever I find, I'll upload. Now the timer is moving fast and I somehow need to get free shots from somewhere. It's called stealing indeed. I grabbed a free cat video from a Chinese app. I picked it up, did some color grading, and then uploaded it to my random theater channel. By then, the challenge's time limit had passed. Similarly, I picked up 2 trolling face stories from Instagram, did a bit of color grading, and uploaded them to the second channel. But still, at the same time, I started uploading a free fire shot, a Minecraft shot, and an executive funny movement to the third channel, but still no results. In my haste, I took on a challenge and I'm worried it might backfire, but I'm not slowing down for the channel. I downloaded some random videos from the printer and started uploading them with trending shorts audio. Even after continuously uploading one show after another for the next 45 minutes, there were 0 views, bro. Delete the channel, delete the channel, delete the channel. No, before giving up, I downloaded a dog shot from Red Notes, did some editing and color grading and uploaded it. Finally, when we reached hour 10, it was over, but it might take some time for the shorts to go viral. Let's see. It's been a challenging day. The first channel hasn't performed particularly well. The second channel is the same, as are the third and fourth channels. However, on our last channel, the duck shot I uploaded has received over 50k views. I can even refresh and show you. You can also check the analytics. We've gained about 327 new subscribers, and you can see this in just the 59 minutes challenge. In this video, I've left a secret coupon code for you somewhere, and it could be in any part of the video. Rewatch the video, comment the coupon code as many times as possible, and participate in the giveaway. Now, if you want the full video and want us to reveal the giveaway by hacking the comment section, comment on the video. Do it, then do it.